The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla! Welcome my people, Dancehall Skilla there again once more with some more things to talk to you about. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Alright, now first things first. I am going to present a video to you that I have recorded within the country that is known as Jamaica. The video that I am about to present to you shows something that happened after a police service vehicle collided with a Jamaica Urban Transit Company bus. A news article that I read said that the incident happened on the 20th of May, the year 2022 on Long Lane Main Road that is located within the parish of St. Andrew, that's within the country that is known as Jamaica. The same news article said that the incident happened in the vicinity of a place that is known as Red Gal Ring. And according to some more words that I read in the same news article, I got the understanding that at least one police officer had been taken to a hospital in serious condition and that 4 police officers was on board the police service vehicle when the police service vehicle collided with the JUTC bus. I did not get any information if anyone died as a result of the incident. I did not get any information if anyone else had been injured as a result of the incident. However, I wanted to please bear in mind that there are more information about the whole situation. Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present the video to you so that you can have a better understanding about the whole situation. But please bear in mind that this video shows the scene of a 2 vehicles collision. So before I present the video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe. And you can also tell me what you think.
Yeah, man. I say the next week I come back to the criminal get to know because yeah, alright, oh, yeah man. Both sides, we see him, I see both sides. So when me see, yeah, me put the eye on secure vest then, yeah? Yeah. I hold up on the rail and when you see accident I come, hold on tight with the young. I'm put the light to the winter. It's the far out in the corner, right corner still. You can secure invest them here. I think them when I vehicle. I don't know you go. Yeah man, secure my personal belongings, you know. Huh? Fly chunk, I'll check where you're not chunk here. I AC that I'll leak out. Never right, secure them phone for me now. Secure them phone and then sorry. Yeah, it's everything. Check the trunk if anything in the trunk. Get this out.
Yeah, man, I know them streets, they're getting so bad.
Blessings, man. That's the Holy Spirit. Things are man, one of them things, you know.
When you're driving a vehicle, drive behind a driver. When we see the car outside, get them. Just give me a light. Bring it back. No, not that. Bring it back.
Everything on?
Can I show you?
Let them jump out because you know them things. You man of them rang up. You see it's siren for the 2G, you know see if.
Alright, my people. Details as to how the accident happened, viewers and subscribers, are somewhat sketchy in my point of view. And I don't want to give any wrong information. Alright? However, it is said that the traffic department started some form of investigation when it comes on to that whole situation. I don't know how the investigation turned out. You understand? I don't know if it ended or if it's still going on. You see me I say? But I just get information according to what I got information. And with that, I'm going to move on to another topic. Alright, now my people, I saw more than one videos that shows a man who got injured by a lion. See? And we do some research to try and find out where and when the incident happened, of viewers and subscribers. You see me I say? Now, before me give you some information that I got about that whole situation or the incident, I want to say this to each and everyone. You see? I'm the kind of person, I don't like to know that someone get hurt. No matter how or why. You understand? I don't like to know that someone get hurt. I don't like anyone getting hurt. But in my point of view, based on some things that I saw in at least one of those videos, I think that the man put himself in danger. You understand? And I'm not trying to bash someone who had been injured, no viewers and subscribers, but I think that the man put himself in danger because of some things that the man had done. You understand? Anyways, I read a news article that gave me the understanding that visitors at a zoo that is located within the country that is known as Jamaica were left in shock after witnessing a zoo attendant's finger being severed by a lion at a zoo that is located within the parish of St. Elizabeth, that's within the country of Jamaica. The news article said that the incident happened on the 20th of May, the year 2022, viewers and subscribers. See? Right? Now, there are some details in this news article about the situation that I think some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might find interesting. See? Alright, so the news article said that one of the man's finger was reportedly partially bitten off after he stuck his hand through the chain link lion's cage. See? Now, Based on some things that the news article said, viewers and subscribers, I got to understand that the news article said that at least 15 people was at the location during the incident. And I said them things here, my people. I'm not the one saying these things. I'm only going by words that I read in a news article. See? And the news article also gave me the understanding that the news article said that the first joint of one of his fingers was gone. And also explain about more damage to the same finger. You understand? Certain details I don't really want to go down into when it comes on to the situation. See? A part of the news article said that someone said that I ran away from the whole thing because me no like say blood. And it was too graphic for me. Right? It's a female. The news article said these things. See? The news article also said that the injured zoo attendant reportedly got up and walked to a vehicle before leaving the facility. You understand? See? Yeah. I tell you. Anyways, my people, so there are more details to this whole situation. You understand? But I just going to say this part alone, just to give you a better understanding as to where the news article said that this whole situation happened, or the whole thing happened, or the incident happened. Yes, I say. So the news article said that the zoo is located close to La Covia, west of Santa Cruz, and that the attraction has a wide range of animals like zebras, monkeys, crocodiles, and so on. See? Yeah. Yeah, man. So, I left it right there so my people. You understand? I left it right there so you understand. You see? So, yeah, man. I tell you the truth. I feel a way if you know say the person got hurt. But I tell you my people. I don't even want to say nothing more about that anyways. Yeah, so I left it now. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I want to big up on yourself. You see?